had. If we now can look at page 8, there was a number of demos that were taking place in page 8. Demos that were taking place around the country, and it started off in Nairobi, where we had Jubilee supporters basically going to the Supreme Court and saying that the Uhuru Kenyatta should be sworn in, as it looks like there was dishonesty that was within the Supreme Court. So demos in Jubilee strongholds over stolen victory.
And I mean, the petitions and allegations coming out against the Supreme Court judges have definitely, to a large extent dented the perception of the public on the judiciary and the Supreme Court. But whether or not they are true is something we'll have to wait and see, because on page